We're back with the Lakewood P-223 box fan. I'm going to try to get the blade off. I saw that there's a piece of metal. Can't see what I'm doing. Oh, there it is. So I need to get in there somehow. And I'll be able to get the blade off. Yay. Awesome. Anyway, I'm going to get a pair of needle nose pliers. There used to be a pair right here, but they disappeared. I have some in the garage branded Utica Bell Systems or something like that. And my grandparents are from Illinois. So maybe they brought it from Illinois. I'll get it right now. Success. No tools required. I'm actually surprised I didn't say box yet. I say it weird. Here it is. Ooh, the windings are clean. Look at that. Damn. Pretty cool. Nice. Almost wiped off the label. I mean, not wiped off, scraped off. Model AL50S9 something. I don't know. I think on the next gen, the third gen, I think. One from the 90s, that whole thing, you see the holes right there, but they're blocked off. No one complains about my videos being so chopped up, but sometimes it's kind of embarrassing, even to myself. Even by my standards. Rarely, though. Stupid floaty focus thing is always going, I'm just a fucking idiot. Even when I have it situated on a tripod, it'll just go, look at me, I'm stupid. Need to get more opinionated. You know, like Russ and Walter Knox. Russ, aka rock and roll hi-fi guy. Hi-fi. What the hell am I saying? Hi-fi. And air conditioning guy, yeah. I usually don't speak this bad if you're watching. I don't know what the hell's wrong with me today. I walked to go get this fan. It's only 2 streets away. Do my exercise for the day. I won't admit I'm a box fan collector yet, because I only have 2. I mean, I have 3, but this purple Lasko box fan I refurbished. Hopefully I'll be selling it today. Some lady's coming from Springtown to go to Euless to meet a friend. So she's going to get it tonight, but I doubt it. The people who message you really late at night on Facebook Marketplace, they're never serious either, unless they are. Just doing the quick rents. Oh, quote unquote quick, that take forever. We're at a simple grainer, just about. 409 works too. I've been using that when I clean TVs up out here. Clean filthy TVs up that actually need it. If I get a CRT TV that just needs a screen cleaning, I'm not going to take the whole damn thing apart out here and clean it up. It doesn't need it. But if you get macaroni and cheese and poop in the speaker grills, it's from an LGR IBM ThinkPad video. That's beautiful. It's kind of an off-white. Don't know if you can tell on video. Turned out really well. It's got some scuffs right there, but we need to go after it with the melamine foam. Magic Eraser, the generic version. Irritable crap. I mean, stuff that irritates me, like stupid dead leaves getting all over the stuff. Freaking twigs. Need to get my toothbrush. Retired toothbrush. Sounded like I said retired toothbrush. Just let this dry for now, or let it sit here for now, while I plan my next move. Let's do a really gentle rinse. Do that to scrub it, then scrub it. Dirty. I zoomed in too much, don't get the camera wet, no. Yeah, there's the filth. Oh, I have a brush right here, old school Dollar General, made in Mexico, good quality. Using the soaker preset. Yeah, not bad. So we'll empty this out, go inside, charge the battery, and watch Shango's other video he put out, Packard Bell test set update. The old stock Packard Bell console TV he got many years ago. It's been at a friend's house, and she's been using it. Makes the sheet, it doesn't matter.